We are here to celebrate the 600th anniversary of such an influential organization in this two-day symposium. It's a measure of wide and enduring appeal of the art associated with the Prince that over 400 people have registered. In this inaugural conference, we announced the establishment of the Persian Manuscripts Association, the PMA, which I established in early 2021, less than a year ago. And today we are a big team consisting of a board of directors, an editorial board, and partner institutions with one shared mission: to help any scholarly activity related to Persian manuscripts, including research, publications, funding projects, and obtaining manuscripts, to happen more smoothly, more efficiently, and more quickly. I would very much like to thank my friends Kyla Jackson and Dr. Melvin Kushki for their help with the PMA and with this conference. And I'm also extremely grateful to the speakers and chairs for making this symposium come together with such an exciting program. Their hard work and their precious participation go a long way to explaining the interest in the symposium. Last, but definitely not least, I thank Professor Zabine Schmidtke of the School of Historical Studies at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton and the technical team there for hosting and supporting this event.
I thought I was going to be able to introduce 3 distinguished scholars, but in point of fact, it's just going to be 2 distinguished scholars, but that's enough for us. We get slightly more of them.